We can declare now that the situation is completely under control now. It's completely under control. There are two areas that we are worried about. One, as of now, we don't know the cause of this disaster, as of now. So that's an area that we still need to dig deeper, and the experts are at the scene, and they will advise and guide us. So any other person that claims to know the cause, at this present moment, that person does not have our blessings, because all the arms of the state, we are not sure what caused this blast. So we are dealing with 41 patients. We're going to close a portion of the CBD, but the entire Bree Street will be shut down, especially the component of Bree Street within the Johannesburg CBD, where we believe that we still need to get the relevant information. And Josco have appointed a service provider to check the credibility of the buildings and whether those particular buildings should be occupied by tomorrow or not. And on the basis of that, we'll be in a position to determine anything that needs to be